Okay, students. Yesterday we have seen an example and we have found out 4 solutions. Now we will see one more example. See, we have to find 2 solutions for 4x plus 3y is equal to 12. Okay. Now, how are we going to proceed? Just like yesterday, simplest way is we put value of x is equal to 0. Okay. We will solve it. We will put x is equal to 0. Okay. So, for x is equal to 0, 4 into 0 plus 3y is equal to 12. Okay. So 3y is equal to 12. Therefore, y is equal to 4. So x is equal to 0, y is equal to 4. Okay. So what is the solution here? 0, 4. Similarly, for finding another solution, put y is equal to 0. Okay. If you put y is equal to 0 in this equation, what do we get? 4x plus 0 is equal to 12. Therefore, 4x is equal to 12. Therefore, x is equal to 3. Right. So, what is the solution? Solution is x first 3, 0. Okay. So, what are the solutions for this? Two solutions. The two solutions are first is 0, 4 and another is 3, 0. Okay. You are able to understand and solve this. See, we always need to find at least 2 solutions whenever you want to find a solution. If they have told you to find more, you have to find more solutions. Right. Now, we will see an exercise example. Exercise 4.2. Okay. Exercise 4.2. This is the fourth example. Okay. Find the value of k. Find value of k if x is equal to 2, y is equal to 1. Y is equal to 1. Okay. X is equal to 2 and y is equal to 1 is solution of 2x plus 3y is equal to k. Okay. What is given? 4.2 fourth example. You have to find the value of k if this is the solution. X is 2 and y is 1. This is the solution for 2x plus 3y is k. So what are we going to do? We know that this value of x and y will satisfy this equation, right? So we'll put the values. See, 2x plus 3y is equal to k. Okay. See, this is the solution, right? Now, x is equal to 2, y is equal to 1. Okay. Therefore, 2 into 2, 4 plus 3 into 1 is equal to k. Okay. So, what is this? 4 plus 3 is equal to k. Therefore, k is equal to 7. Right. So, k is equal to 7. This is, so the value of k is found out. Right. Okay. Now, you are finished with your fourth example of exercise. I will proceed further. We will move to the next part, that is graph of linear equation in 2 variables. Graph of linear equation in 2 variables. We have to plot this one graph. Okay. Graph of linear equation in 2 variables. Now, see, I will give you an equation. X plus 2y is equal to 6. Okay. Now, this is your question. Now, we have to plot this. Plot the equation. Now, before plotting, we must know the value of x and corresponding value of y. So, we need to find the solution for this. Okay. We will find solution for this first. How are we going to find the solution? Do you know how to find the solution? First, we will put x is equal to 0. Then what we have? Y. If x is equal to 0, we have 2y is equal to 6. Therefore, y is equal to 3. So, which one solution is 0, 3. Then we put y is equal to 0. So x is equal to 6. Okay. So second solution is 0 comma 6. Then I put the value of x is equal to 2. If I have x is equal to 2, so what I get is 2 plus 2y is equal to 6. Therefore 2y is equal to 4. Therefore y is equal to 2. Okay. So third point is 2 comma 2. Okay. So I've got 3 points. I need one more point. For next point I'll put y is equal to 1. If y is equal to 1, what do I get? X plus 2 is equal to 6. Okay. So x is equal to 4. Okay. I've got the 4 points. I will just make a table of this out of this data. Okay. On this table I'll write the value of x and y. Right? Like this. Say for x is equal to 0. What is my y? 3. Right? Similarly, I write the other values. What are the other values? For x is equal to 2, y is equal to 2. After 0, I have 0.2, y is also equal to 2. Then, next value is, say, x is equal to 4. Right? This one. X is equal to 4. What is the value of y? Y is equal to 1. Okay. Then, for x is equal to 6, y is equal to 0. Okay. Now we have seen the various points, okay, which will be lying on this line x plus 2y is equal to 6. Okay, these are the 4 points. We have to plot these points 0, 3, 2, 2, 4, 1, 6, 0. Okay, these 4 points we have to plot on the graph paper. ठीक है? अभी now I'll show you how to plot on a graph paper. Okay, so that you can do the further plotting on graph paper. Okay. And after plotting these points, you will just draw your x-axis, y-axis like this, x dash, y dash. Okay. Then you put your points 1, 2, 3 like this. Okay. All of you know how to plot the points. Okay. And then you will plot these points 0, 3, 2, 2 and whatever line is passing through these points. This is your line AB. Okay. And this line AB is nothing but x plus 2y is equal to 6. Okay. All these 4 points will lie on this line. Okay. Let's see how to plot. Okay. Fine. Now, this is my graph paper. Fine. Now, what is our first point? X is equal to 0, y is equal to 3. Fine. I have to start point 0, 3. So, point 0, 3 is x coordinate is 0. So, it will lie on the y-axis. Okay, this is the first point. This is point 0, 3. I will write here 0, 3. Okay. Then next point is 2, 2. X coordinate is 2, y coordinate is 2. So, this is the point. And third point is 4, 1. Okay, 4, 1. So, x coordinate is 4, y coordinate is 1. Right. So, this is the point. Fine. And the last point is y coordinate is 0, x coordinate is 6. So, this is 6, x is 6 and y is 0. So, it lies on the x axis, y is 0. Fine. Now, we have to draw a line which is passing through all these 4 points. Okay, I'll just draw a line which will contain the 4 points because these 4 points are nothing but the solution of my line. Right? See, this is my line. Extend this over here. Fine. This is my line AB. I'll give some endpoints. Say A and this is point B. Okay. So, this line AB is nothing but equation of my line x plus 2y is equal to 6. Okay. And these are the 4 points which are lying. This one is 2, 2. This one is 4, 1. And this one was 6, 0. Fine. We had 4 points. 0, 3, 2, 2, 4, 1. You don't write these points in your exam. I am writing it so that you understand. Right? All these points are plotted. Don't write these points in your exam. You will have the table. From the table you just see and then you write those points. Fine? So this is over. So this is your line AB, which is satisfying the equation x plus 2y is equal to 6. Okay, fine. Now we'll solve another example. Okay. Now they have given us a point 1, 2. They have given us a point, random point, and they have told us to find if it is lying on the line. Let's see. Given point 1, 2, our second example. Given point, this is our point 1, 2. Okay, so its x coordinate is 1, 2 is the y coordinate. Find equation of the line. Okay, we have to find the equation of line on which it lies. क्या दिया है उसने? एक पॉइंट दिया है 1, 2. ठीक है, x कोऑर्डिनेट y कोऑर्डिनेट. ठीक है, x वाला वैल्यू 1 है, y का वैल्यू 2 है, और ये पॉइंट कौन सी लाइन पे लाई करता है उस लाइन का हमें इक्वेशन बताना है. ठीक है, अभी क्या करेंगे? वी हैव टू थिंक ऑफ एन एग्जांपल वेयर x can be 1 and y can be 2. For example, if I say, see, 2 plus 1 is 3. So if I write x plus y is equal to 3. Okay, so I can put value of x is equal to 1, y is equal to 2. Okay, अगर मैं already they given us 1, 2. So 1, x is 1, y is 2. So it will give me equation. It will satisfy this equation. So this can be one solution. Okay, x plus y is 3 can be one solution. Then we can write something like, say, 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. So I can write like this, y minus x is equal to 1. 2 minus 1 कर सकती हूँ मैं, तो ये भी इक्वेशन सेटिस्फाई करेगा. वो 2 minus 1, y की वैल्यू 2 है, x की वैल्यू 1 है, तो आंसर 1 आ जाएगा, है ना. 1 इज इक्वल टू 1, तो ये भी चलेगा. तो ऐसे और सोचो, यू कैन जस्ट थिंक अबाउट सम मोर. फॉर एग्जाम्पल देखो, x की वैल्यू 1 है, ठीक है, और y की वैल्यू 2 है, तो y इज इक्वल टू 2x लिख सकती हूँ मैं, चलेगा ना ऐसा. x की वैल्यू 1 है, तो y की वैल्यू कितनी होगी? 2 इंटू 1, तो y की वैल्यू 2 आ गई, तो y इज इक्वल टू 2x कैन ऑल्सो बी अ सोल्यूशन. यू कैन हैव दिस नो एज द इक्वेशन ऑफ योर लाइन. 3 इक्वेशंस हो गए हमारे पास. ठीक है, दिस एनी ऑफ दिस कैन बी. देन यू कैन हैव वन मोर थिंग लाइक x माइनस वाई इज इक्वल टू -1. ये भी हो सकता है. 1 minus 2 is equal to -1 होता है ऐसा. 1 minus 2 is equal to -1. This can also be an equation. Okay, so all these are equations of line. Are equation of line. Okay, are equation of line for point 1, 2. Okay, ये भी इक्वेशन उसका ही है. कोई भी 2-3 एग्जाम्पल्स तुम लिख सकते हो. ठीक है, नाउ विल सी अनदर एग्जाम्पल फॉर ग्राफ. वी हैव टू ड्रॉ द ग्राफ फॉर x plus y is equal to 7. Okay, x plus y is equal to 7. Okay, this is your equation of line. Draw graph. Draw graph for this line. Okay, equation दिया उसने. Now draw graph for this equation. So what are we going to do? See, to draw a graph we need minimum of 2 points. 2 points चाहिए या 2 से ज़्यादा चाहिए. ठीक है, let x is equal to 0. अगर x की वैल्यू में 0 लेती हो तो y कितना आएगा? 0 plus y is equal to 7. ठीक है, तो y is equal to 7 आ जाएगा. ठीक है, कम से कम 2 पॉइंट तो चाहिए ही. सिर्फ एक पॉइंट से तो लाइन जाएगी नहीं, तो कहाँ जाना है उसको वो पता नहीं चलेगा। तो कम से कम 2 पॉइंट चाहिए लाइन को लोकेट करने के लिए। तो मैंने एक पॉइंट फाइंड कर लिया 0,7। फिर दूसरा पॉइंट के लिए क्या करेंगे, y=0 डाल देते हैं। तो क्या आएगा, x=7 आ जाएगा। दूसरा पॉइंट मेरा क्या आया, 7,0। तो ये 2 पॉइंट्स लेके हम लोग लाइन ड्रॉ कर सकते हैं। यू ड्रॉ इट ऑन द ग्राफ पेपर। आई ड्रॉ दिस डायरेक्टली फॉर यू ओवर हियर। ओके, देखो ये हमारी x एक्सिस हो गई, x डैश, एंड दिस इज y डैश। देखो व्हेन x=0, y=7। 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, ये 7 है, ठीक है। ये हमारे -1 -2 -3 -4। फिर यहाँ पे 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, ये 7 है। अब क्या करना है, x=0, ठीक है, तो y=7। तो ये एक पॉइंट हुआ हमारा, कौन सा पॉइंट है ये, 0,7, ठीक है, y एक्सिस पे लाई करता है पॉइंट। दूसरा पॉइंट क्या है, 7 0, मतलब ये वाला पॉइंट, ठीक है। 2 पॉइंट्स मिल गए। अभी लाइन ड्रॉ कर सकते हैं जो ज्वाइन करेगी इन दोनों को, ऐसे, ठीक है ना। फाइन, आई एक्सटेंड दिस लाइन ओवर हियर। ये लाइन में आ गई, यहाँ पे एक्सटेंड करती हूँ मैं, ठीक है। तो अभी क्या करेंगे, ये हमारी लाइन हो गई। विल नेम दिस एंड पॉइंट्स दे देते हैं उसको A और B। दिस इज नथिंग बट आवर लाइन x + y = 7, ठीक है। 2 पॉइंट्स आ गए हमारे। ये हमारा 7,0 था, ये 0,7 है। फाइन, सो दिस वाज आवर लास्ट एग्जाम्पल। In the next class we'll see equation of line parallel to x axis and equation of line parallel to y axis. Okay, thank you.